So today we're going to learn how scientists explain the development of life on Earth and how life started on Earth. What were conditions on Earth 4.5 billion years ago? On Earth it was very hot, very little oxygen, there was lots of lightning, and lots of volcanic activity. Primitive Earth's energy source. As the Earth cooled down over the years, thunderstorms drenched the Earth with water and the oceans formed. Lightning provided an energy source for life to begin. Lightning and energy from the sun provide the energy needed for the formations of organic compounds, such as nucleic acids, amino acids, and sugars. How did life begin on Earth? Formation of organic compounds. Inorganic compounds formed organic compounds. Amino acids, nitrogenous bases, monosaccharides, and fatty acids were all formed from the inorganic compounds that were available in the Earth. Formation of organic polymers. Scientists proved that polymers of organic compounds could have formed during the conditions of early Earth. Scientists hypothesized that the first genes were RNA. RNA served as both the molecule that stored the genetic info and the molecule that directed protein synthesis. Formation of precells. Experiments show that membranes can form around organic polymers in a solution if certain kinds of lipids are present. The simplest living organisms are far more complex than these precells. Where did life first begin? Today's deep-sea vents are populated with simple unicellular organisms that may resemble some of the earliest living cells. First organisms on Earth were anaerobic, prokaryotic cells and heterotrophs. The first organisms on Earth were simple unicellular organisms. Where did the oxygen come from? Some of the early forms of life developed into unicellular autotrophs. They got their energy from chemicals in the environment, called chemosynthesis, and later from the sun and produced oxygen through photosynthesis. Anaerobic organisms. Now that the new atmosphere had oxygen, organisms that could use oxygen to do cell respiration slowly developed. The summary of early evolution. Over here you see the prokaryotes and eukaryotes, which are unicellular organisms. Then after that came the heterotrophs and autotrophs. And over here is another version, which from single cell to multicellular. And then this is present day, which consists of multicellular organisms and lots of plants. Now here are some questions that we can answer based on these slides. According to some scientists, what resulted from the environmental conditions existing in primitive Earth illustrated below? With all the lightning and heat rays, it would cause A. Evolution of the first heterotrophs from aggregates and of organic molecules. According to the heterotroph hypothesis, the first life on Earth was able to 1. Synthesize its food from inorganic compounds, 2. Feed upon carbohydrates produced by autotrophs, 3. Feed upon available nutrients in the environment, or 4. Carry on photosynthesis instead of respiration, and 3. Feed on available nutrients in the environment. And that's all for today.